the run capacitor, because this one dual, the old one is single. So we will replace this one. Already off the safety switch before I touch and remove the cable, the wire. Should be safety first. Should be off the circuit breaker or safety switch. Okay, let's go. We will remove now the wire. So this one, the wire is the starting, running. This one, the running from the compressor. Okay. This one is, and this one the starting. So we will remove the capacitor, the old one. So guys, how to check the capacitor damage? Check guys, this one should be flat, but now it's problem. So it's not normal condition. Also here there is some problem like this, deform. So I will put now the capacitor. This one use capacitor but good. So yun guys, naubusan ako ng English, Tagalogin ko na muna. So ito yung kanyang common dito sa capacitor, at yun naman yung kanyang harm. So itong starting natin na galing ng compressor, ilalagay natin dito sa harm. Yan. At ito naman running na galing dito sa compressor, ilalagay natin dito sa common dito sa compressor. Yan. And then itong dito sa may contactor, dahil ito yung pinaka-supply niya, ilalagay natin dito sa common ng capacitor. Ayun. Okay na siya. So this is now the capacitor 60 Ohms. So we will on now the AC, the power, and we will check. Okay. So guys, we will use the clamp ammeter to check how many amps or current drop in this compressor. So we will wait until the unit is become working, maybe 5 minutes, and then the outdoor unit is working. So yun guys, okay na siya. Gumana na siya, nasa 29.5 ampere. Yan, pababa pa siya oh. Ang full load nito ay 35 point something, mga 35.5. So 29.1 oh, 29. Okay naman siya, mga napakalamig yung tubo. Lamig guys oh, focus yung tubo. So okay na guys yung ating unit. Napalitan natin yung lumulubo ng capacitor. So good na to. Ito nga pala yung ginawa natin ng paraan yan. Dahil ang terminal ng compressor ay sira na. So ginawa natin ng ganitong technique o paraan. para mapagana